Want to know how to use Gantt charts in teamwork.com to streamline your project management? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to easily visualize your team's progress and organize tasks like a pro. And here's the best part. You can use Teamwork for free by clicking the first link in the description, where we also offer exclusive bonuses to get you started. Teamwork.com is a powerful tool that can elevate your team's efficiency and communication, and Gantt charts are a game changer when it comes to planning and tracking projects. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the most out of Gantt charts in Teamwork and why it's so useful for keeping projects on track. First, let's dive into creating a Gantt chart in Teamwork. Once you're inside the software, head over to the Projects tab and choose the project you want to work with. From there, click on the Gantt tab located in the toolbar. This is where you can start visualizing your project's timeline. You'll see a clear, interactive chart that shows all your tasks, deadlines, and dependencies in a straightforward layout. You can create tasks by clicking directly on the chart. This will let you easily assign tasks to team members and set start and end dates. You can even adjust the duration by dragging the task bars along the timeline. The drag and drop functionality is simple and intuitive, which is perfect for people who are new to the software. Now, let's talk about dependencies. One of the best features of the Gantt chart in Teamwork is the ability to visualize task relationships. You can set dependencies by connecting tasks with lines. For example, if task A needs to be completed before task B can start, you can simply link those tasks together. This helps your team understand the flow of the project and ensures nothing gets overlooked. Another powerful tool in Gantt charts is milestone tracking. Milestones represent significant points in your project, like key deliverables or stages of completion. You can add milestones by clicking on the timeline and selecting Add Milestone. This gives your project a sense of progression and allows you to focus on the most critical objectives. Teamwork.com's Gantt charts also make it easy to assign resources. You can allocate specific team members to tasks by clicking on the task and selecting who should work on it. This helps ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities and can stay aligned on project goals. One feature you'll appreciate is the ability to filter and customize your Gantt chart. You can adjust the view to show specific tasks, team members, or deadlines. This is especially useful when you need to focus on a particular aspect of your project or present the information to stakeholders. Don't forget about the progress tracking options in the Gantt chart. You can mark tasks as complete directly from the chart, and Teamwork will update the progress bar to reflect that. This visual representation of progress keeps everyone on the same page and shows how close you are to finishing your project. Now, if you're new to Teamwork, don't worry. Getting started is easy. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, Gantt charts in Teamwork.com help you stay organized, make adjustments on the fly, and keep things running smoothly. And before we wrap up, remember to check out the first link in the description for an exclusive and extended free trial to Teamwork.com. This is a great opportunity to start using Gantt charts and all the other features of Teamwork without any risk. Gantt charts in Teamwork are a powerful way to stay on top of your project's timeline, ensure your team is working efficiently, and track your progress from start to finish. So go ahead, give it a try, and take your project management skills to the next level today.